Our next speaker is up to tell us about lies. I don't know what we're going to learn about the lies, but Hannah will tell us very soon. Let's get going, Hannah.
All right. I want everybody to keep your shirt on and look down at your belly button. I know that's easier for me than the rest of you. All right. Now, I want you to rank your belly button on a scale of 1 to 4. No other instructions will be given. All right, by show of hands, how many of you rank your belly button a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4? All right, everyone, let's compare. We have done our navel gazing, we've done our data collection, so whammo, we are done with statistics, right? Wrong. That is not how statistics work, but a lot of people think that's how statistics work. See, statistics, I saw lots of heads moving around, and it's because statistics are about us, or more particularly, they're about me and how I relate to us, and they use this concrete number to help us understand something that is otherwise impossible to understand, but is really, really, really easy to lead your audience astray when you start using statistics. So, to help you with all your statistics problems, no, not your high school ones, your statistics problems in real life, I'm going to use Mark Twain's famous quip, there are 3 kinds of lies: lies, damned lies, and statistics. Let's start with lies, which is citing a source when you haven't actually checked on the data. So just because you read something in the New York Times does not make it true. You need to read the report. All right, for you in the back, that's read the report. Now, as long as you're reading the report, you may as well check on the meaning of your number. So, sorry. If you can't verify the data, you've got to cite it as Douma, which stands for pulled directly out of my ass. All right, now as long as you're reading the report, you may as well check for the meaning of the number. And so that involves reading the discussion surrounding the number that's in the report and maybe even checking for something called significance value. And that brings us to damned lies. Okay, I know not everyone's going to actually read the report. I understand. But you better not be using statistics you know damn well your audience does not understand. There are 2 areas where I see this a lot. The first area is complicated statistics. If you need a degree in statistics to understand the statistic you're citing, that's too complicated. Use one number, a line chart or a bar chart, or leave that statistic out. The second area is even more common. It's confusing causation with correlation. Statistics do not prove causation. One more time for the people in the back, that's statistics do not prove causation. You can use rhetoric to link them, and you should, but you cannot make the data say what it does not want to say. Statistics don't prove causation. All right, so last we've got statistics. Statistics are like onions. When they're the star of the show, you have done something very wrong. Now, statistics, or onions, I should say, smell really good when they're fried in butter. And one time, my grandma told me that if I ever got home from work first and I didn't want to, cook, I should just start frying onions, take off my clothes, and when Rob got home, I should just let the onions burn, and then we'd have sex, and then we'd go out for dinner. That is a good story. That's an even better story than the statistic that half of my grandmothers told me to lie to get out of cooking. Anecdotes are usually better than statistics. If you are going to cite a statistic, use a nice round number. Most people don't understand. You don't need the decimal places. That's like statistician humor. Just use a nice round number that people will remember, just like your anecdotes. Okay, so how can you use statistics when you're a journalist or blogger or reporter? First, read the report. One more time for the people in the back. That's read the report. If you fail to do your research, I will call you out on Twitter. Second, use anecdotes to explain your statistics when you use them. Following those 2 simple rules, you're going to avoid all 3 kinds of lies: lies, damned lies, and statistics. I have no idea where I am in my slides, but I'm done.